Hey guys, Clink Room just dropped their next Deadstock drop. So what this means is these are leftovers from their pre-order, and they will ship right away. So if you guys are VIP members, check your email for the link to see what's available to buy. These are my top 4 from the drop. So starting first, we have Cali Square Bears by Clinker Edward C. Green bottom, black, white front panel. Then we have Dunkzilla by Aurelian. We have Something Ghoulish by Brad Racing. Look at that embroidery. Look at the back hit. Beautiful. And last but not least, MMIW by Clinker Marlin. This stands for Missing and Murdered Indigenous Woman. Make sure you guys check out which styles are available to you. And until next time, I'm out.